know that the category you choose on that particular video that you just published can be the reason why you are not getting views on that channel. Now, let me tell you, your category have a long way to determine the subscribers that your videos are pushed to or the viewers that your content are pushed to. The algorithm work with the categories and the settings that you need to put in place so that it will know the right audience to push your videos to. So if your videos has been having a flop, or probably you do not realize that there are certain buttons that you need to click before publishing that particular video on YouTube, then it becomes a problem because your videos will just be limited to a particular set of people who probably might not be interested in watching your videos. Now, this is not actually the issue, because by the end of this video, you'll be knowing 7 upload mistakes that you have been making that have also limited your views and also getting your videos to the right subscribers. Now, if you are able to fix the settings I am going to be showing you, these settings will help skyrocket your videos and also get your subscribers into that channel and also get you more views on that channel. All right, so stick around to the end of this video in order to get value for your time. Quickly, let us dive in. Let's work with this video and see. Now, this video have already been uploaded, and some of the settings I am going to be showing you can only be done when you have not uploaded any of these videos. So first thing you are going to do is that you're going to scroll down and click on more, show more. Then you're going to go down to the place where you have category. Now, this is where a whole lot of people make a whole lot of mistake. So the first thing we are going to look at is the title of this video to know the audience that this video is going to be pushed out to. So the title is Growing Fast on YouTube and Easy Mode. I will be sharing 3 hacks you need to know on this particular video. Now, the first thing is that I should know that the category of people I will want to watch this video are those who are looking forward to grow fast on YouTube. I will be targeting small YouTubers who are also struggling to grow their YouTube channel. All right, so that means that the category I am going to be having is education. Now, if you look at so many small YouTubers, what they tend to choose in this category is how to and style. But it is better to choose this education because it's going to give you more options of how you can choose even your sub category. Now let's look at it. If I choose how to and style, just like I did, I am going to just go ahead, put in my comments and also put in other things that I need to put in. Now note that you can choose anything, any from comedy according to your niche. So if I choose education, it's going to bring me here to type. So if I click on this type, it's going to show me activity, concept, how to, lecture and all. So now, because I'm going to show you how you can grow your channel fast according to this video, I'm going to click on how to. Now I have chosen the right category, and in case if this is confusing to you, I think the best thing you need to do is to just do a screenshot of this category, all right, or just copy it and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to quickly tell you the category that particular video belong to, and they will do just that, or any AI tool that you are using. All right, now once this is done, the next thing I am going to be doing is to come down here where I have allow embedding, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Now, most times when you upload video, even as a small YouTuber, YouTube tend to show your video to those who have subscribed to your channels. All right, so when you click on, now this video cannot be worked on because I have already published this video. I've made it public. But in a case where you are still uploading this video, this option will be made blank for you to tick. Now, if you tick on allow embedding, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers, it then means that YouTube is going to show your video first to your subscribers, and if they're interested in watching your videos, then they are going to push it out. Now, in a case where you have few subscribers or you got your subscribers from the support small channels and all, you know that most of those subscribers might not even pay any attention to your video. So they are just subscribing because probably you have shown them kindness by subscribing to their channel. So what you will need to do in this particular case is to uncheck this publish to subscription feed. Now, this way you are giving the YouTube algorithm the opportunity to push your videos to the right audience, because they know the right audience that want to watch that particular video according to your topic, according to your description, according to your file name. All right, so this is what you are going to do now. But what you are going to do is that once this is done, you are going to, the first 30 minutes that you upload that video, you are going to check if that video is moving, if the YouTube algorithm is pushing that video. Now, after 30 minutes, you're going to go back to check for an hour or 2 hours. So what is going to happen is that the first 30 minutes to an hour or 2 hours, that video might not really be doing well. All right, so you might be discouraged and you might not want to try this. But if you continue with it, after a while that video will start ranking and it is going to get you subscribers, because that video is going to move you. The YouTube algorithm is going to push that video to new audience who have not yet subscribed to your channel, and that way if that person watch your videos and gets value from it, definitely they will subscribe. Now, this brings us to the next point. The next mistake that you are doing during your upload or as a small channel, all right, is your metadata. Now, the first three places that you are supposed to put in your metadata is first your video title. All right, so you are going to make sure that your video title have the keywords that you can also be found in the description of that particular video and also be found in your file name. Now, if that keywords are, if a particular keyword that you are going to use in your title, make sure that that keyword is also repeated in your description. And another important place that you might want to put in those keywords is in your tags. All right, so YouTube gather these data and make sure they find the right audience for you for that particular video. All right, so once that is done, another mistake that you are making is not adding end screen. Now, end screen give you the opportunity to promote your videos. All right, so most times I tend to choose this toolbox because it will help YouTube to show my video the best. All right, best for the viewer. So any video that particular viewer show interest with, YouTube is going to push another good video that's related to what they are looking for to them. And then I am going to have an option of also putting in one other video. So most times I choose my most recent video, but if it's not related, I just pick a particular video that I'll be needing. All right, so once that is done, another thing you're going to look at that will also help to rank your views and your videos is your cards. All right, so this card help you promote your videos even mid when you are doing your videos. All right, so most times I tend to promote my playlist so that the viewer will be able to choose from my playlist in order to make their choice and choose a particular video that is suitable for them. Now, if this is done, another thing that you are going to be doing in your videos is that you are going to also go to your YouTube channel, to your normal YouTube channel, and search, all right, for the name of that particular YouTube video that you are going to make. All right, so when you search the names, you are going to see a whole lot of them. Take a look at their thumbnails, the ones that have done well. What kind of name are their names related to that particular video that you want to upload, and see if it's searchable. All right, so this is actually very, very important. All right, this is before you even think about uploading a particular video or making a video. Please quickly come to the analytics of your YouTube channel. Let's move in straight to trends. We just put in that video idea All right. So now when I click on it, it's going to bring me here. So what I am going to do is to make sure that I go down to show all, so that it will show me all the videos. So what I am going to do is to look at the time, all right, the duration of those videos. Okay, so I am seeing that this video is between 5 minutes down to 14 minutes. All right, so if I make a video below 5 minutes to 14 minutes, it then means that YouTube is not going to push my videos to the right audience. They are going to drop my video because the category of videos here on this trend are within the range of that 5 minutes to 14 minutes, and it's going to lower my watch time. All right, so from here I am going to get enough watch hours if I make my video durations to be the same as every other person who has made video concerning that particular topic. And you are going to go down to pin a comment in the comment section, all right, of that particular video. Now if you take a look at this particular video, you found out that there's a pinned comment that I pinned in this particular video. So what you are going to do right here is that you are going to pin a comment that spark curiosity. You can ask your viewers what their ideas is all about, or you can also tell them to smash the subscription button if they want to, get views depending on the niche that you are working with. Now another unique thing here is that you can also just drop your one click subscription link, so that even if the YouTuber is interested and has watched your videos, they will want to subscribe. All right, so instead of searching for where to subscribe, they will just click on the link and subscribe to your channel. Every of your viewers will definitely see this comment once they move to the comment section, and it will go a long way to help rank your videos. So these settings will go a long way to help your videos to rank high. It will also go a long way to get you subscribers, because if you do the settings right, before you know it, your channel will start skyrocketing and you start getting views, even getting viral videos. All right, so if you find this video useful and interesting, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. See you next in our next video. Bye.